Welcome back everyone to the opening of one of the two starter decks from the second set of Disney Lorcana, the trading card game from Rise of Floodborn. This is the Amethyst Steel starter deck. Has the Merlin character and the Tiana character. As before, you have like a overview over the different cards from this starter deck, and I believe some of these cards are, most of them are from the second set Rise of Floodborn, but some of them, such as Freeze or which other one? Prince Eric, Dashing and Brave, they're from the previous set, the first chapter. So yeah, this set only came out a couple of weeks ago. I was lucky enough to get these starter decks, two of them. The other one I'll also be previewing, opening on this channel, and I got a booster box which I'll be opening on this channel too. So look forward to that. I'm opening them now because I'll be playing at the local game store this weekend, and yeah, wanted to try out these new cards. So let me open here. So I haven't really seen much about these starter decks online. I believe they're a bit more, how would you say, balanced than starter decks from the first chapter. The wrapping and the setup looks pretty similar. Obviously you have the 60 card starter deck, including 2 foil cards, 11 damage counters, which are here, the paper play mat, and like a overview of the rules, and of course a booster pack which we'll be opening. Yeah, so let's get stuck into it. Again, this is a very cool wrapping. Oh no, I destroyed the paper, but that doesn't matter. I won't be reading it anymore. Okay. So Merlin Shapeshifter, I don't know. Can you? Yeah, you can see the foiling. Foil. Tiana, Celebrating Princess. So this is a inkable, non-inkable Tiana. And then Chip the Teacup. Again, sets of 3, which from a TCG, general TCG perspective is a bit unusual, as you would expect. Well, if you have sets of 4, Dr. Facilier, Hey, Cusco, Madame Mim, Merlin Crab, interesting, Merlin Goat, Merlin Rabbit, Merlin Squirrel. Yeah, there's quite a few low numbers here. Beast. Yeah, once I've tested these decks, I'll be giving you a review, how I've fared and how I find them. Or if you have any suggestions of how to slightly tinker them or add some cards from the first chapter, or even new cards from Rise of the Floodborn, let me know. Lilo, Galactic Hero, pretty cool. Yeah, these are really nice cards again. Prince Naveen. The Huntsman. Prince Never Gives Up. Tiana, Diligent Waitress. Blast cannon, mouse armor. Okay, pretty neat, pretty neat. I like it. So next up, I'll be opening so let's get the two foils on the video. Yeah, the booster, this is actually the first booster of the second set I'm opening, so let's hope for better luck here, as my pulls from the other 3 first chapter booster packs have been a bit disappointing, but yeah. So you've got the kind of the standard card, and then start with the commons. Fidget, Flynn Rider, Jasmine, Happy, one of the 7 dwarfs. I believe this is actually this is one of the better ones. Online I've seen Sleepy, and this Sleepy doesn't look good at all. Jiminy Cricket, Charge. Now we go on to the uncommons. Blue Fairy, Sword in the Stone, Patcher. Now the rare Madam Mim, Alice, and Prince John. Okay, so this is actually a rare foil. I'm not sure about this Alice card. Not too familiar with these rarities yet, so I'll be checking that out and see whether these are any of the more sought after cards from the set. But yeah, it looks a lot better than what I've had before, so yeah, keep following my channel, and yeah, I'll be uploading some more videos in the upcoming days, and look forward to having you back. Take care.